In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a user password in Adalo. We're going to set up a simple, secure password reset flow so your users can update their password themselves, right from your app's login screen. This is handled by Adalo's built-in action, so there's no custom logic to maintain, and you never have to see or store anyone's password. Start by opening your browser and searching for Adalo. Head to the site and sign into your account. Once you're in, open the app where you want to enable password updates and navigate to the screen that contains your login form. This is typically the screen with the email and password inputs that users see when they first sign in. On that login screen, open the Components panel by clicking the plus icon and add a text component to the screen. Place it near your password input where users expect to find it, usually just below the Sign In button. In the text box, type something clear and familiar, like "Forgot password?" Style it so it looks clickable. A contrasting color or an underline works well and improves accessibility. Now make that text do the work. With the "Forgot password" text selected, add an action to it. Choose More, then User Login, then Forgot password. This is the built-in Adalo action that triggers the secure reset process. If Adalo prompts you, confirm the email input on this screen as the source. The action uses the value from that email field, so the user should enter their email first before clicking the link. In most setups, Adalo automatically detects your email input and connects it for you. Here's what happens next. When a user clicks "Forgot password," Adalo automatically sends a password reset email to the address they used to sign up. The email includes a secure link that lets them create a new password. You don't need to build the email or the link yourself. Adalo handles it end-to-end. For clarity, you can keep the user on the login screen and let the app show Adalo's built-in confirmation, or add a short note nearby that says something like, "Check your inbox for a reset link." If users don't see the email right away, remind them to check their spam or junk folder. A few quick tips to make this experience smooth. Ensure your login screen uses Adalo's users collection and has a standard email input, so the action has a valid address to work with. Test the flow in preview with a test account to confirm the email arrives and the link works as expected. And that's it. Your app now has a reliable, user-friendly way to update passwords using Adalo's Forgot password action.